All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T250 long wheelbase shorty with 24,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, backup camera, super nice. As you can see, got some damages here. We'll get to that real quick. 1, 2, 3. In your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little gouging here. About 2 inches. Boom. Alright. The rest looks pretty good. Your hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front passenger, your front driver's rim. Or steel wheel. Your tire there is over 7/32. This door looks pretty decent. This quarter does have 2 dents. One here about 2.5 inches. Another one here about 1 inch. Some little lazy scratches here. There's a little dingy there. A little dingy there. Small little dings on this side. Here's your rear driver's side rim or steel wheel. And your tire thread here is just under 4/32. Good. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. On the lights. Got your AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. See if it can focus or something. Oh, there it is. Camera's unfocusing. There it is. Of course, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 24,243. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it moving. Coming around. The rear door has a little dent there, about 2 inches. The other side has another dent there, about 2 inches. There's a bigger dent here, about 10 or more inches. Let's back it up a little bit. There you go. Nice shot of it. All right. Here it looks a little dented as well. But this is stuff that you moldy piece you can heat up and bring back down into place. All right. Got a little button here. Opens this up. Likewise here. Opens this side up. And this is, of course, what your rear trunk space looks like. Boom. Very nice. Moldings look pretty, the wheel wells look pretty good, pretty decent. The LED lights look tough. Here's your door. Paneling looks good. So you can see normally these panels are all beat up, but on this one, they look good. This other door panel looks great. Like I said, normally a beat up item on these cars, these trucks, they just stick so much crap in here. There's a dent here. Right there. You'll be seeing some paint off right here. Boom. Probably turned into something. I think it's coming all the way from here. Coming up maybe. Or maybe there's a separate dent down here. There's a dent down here as you can see it. Okay. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And tire good. It's under 4/32. This door has a dent from here to there, as you can see there. Boom. This door looks pretty good. Does have a little dinghy right there. Alright. That's what your side compartment looks like. Side cargo area. Looks good. Boom. This door looks good. And so does this one. Very nice. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips of that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And tire thread is over 7/32. Let me double check. Yes, it is over 7/32. Lights all working. Car looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit. It's a T250 short, like regular roof and a long wheelbase. Once again, it's a 250 long wheelbase, low top with 24,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.